नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, अ वार्म वेलकम। सो आज के सत्र की शुरुआत करते हैं। लेट अस बिगिन आवर सेशन। एज यूजुअल, सिट इन अ कंफर्टेबल पोस्चर, हैंड्स इन ध्यान मुद्रा, बैक स्ट्रेट, रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ। पूरे शरीर को ढीला रखें, आंखें बंद है। धीरे धीरे सांसें भी सामान्य और सहज चल रही है। मन को समर्पित करें। अब अपने आप को सभी कामों से विरक्त करें और 1 घंटा सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने लिए फोकस करना है, समर्पित करना है। शुरुआत 3 ओंकार से करते हैं। गहरी सांस ले। हाथों को नमस्कार मुद्रा में जोड़े। प्रार्थना। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ सहना सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हैंड्स अगेन इन ध्यान मुद्रा। प्रार्थना के स्पंदनों को महसूस करें। फील द वाइब्रेशंस। धीरे धीरे आंखों को खोलना है। ओपन योर आईज जेंटली। ओके, सो लेट अस बिगिन विद सिंपल वार्मिंग अप। पहले हम नेक मूवमेंट से शुरुआत करते हैं आज। सो आप सीधे बैठे हैं, धीरे से गर्दन को राइट एंड लेफ्ट घुमाएंगे 5 टाइम्स। वेरी स्लो मूवमेंट्स। बी अवेयर ऑफ योर ब्रीदिंग अलॉन्ग विथ योर नेक मूवमेंट्स। 2 3 4 5 सेंटर। रिलैक्स। ओके, सेम प्रैक्टिस अप एंड डाउन। और जिनको भी नेक इश्यूज है, आप पूरा नीचे नहीं गर्दन को झुकाएंगे। इन केस ऑफ डिजीनेस, वर्टिगो और हाई बीपी, इवन सर्वाइकल स्पॉन्डिलोसिस, सी दैट यू डोंट टेकिंग द नेक कंप्लीटली डाउन। पीछे ले जा सकते हैं पर आगे सेंटर में इतना ही रोको। नेक पेन नहीं है तो आगे झुक सकते हैं। 4 लास्ट 5 सेंटर। अभी राइट हाथ को ऊपर उठाएंगे और ऐसे एंड प्रेस द हेड टू द राइट साइड। मेंटेन 1 2 3 4 5। रिलीज। लेफ्ट हैंड अप, प्रेस द हेड टू द लेफ्ट साइड। 1 2 3 4 5 एंड रिलैक्स। रोटेशन। अगेन जिनको वर्टिगो है या सर्वाइकल स्पॉन्डिलोसिस है वो नहीं करेंगे। एंड रिवर्स। अगेन क्लॉकवाइज एंड एंटी क्लॉकवाइज। और एक बार लास्ट। रिलैक्स। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट स्ट्रेचिंग, हाथों को ऐसे रखेंगे एंड स्ट्रेच 1 2 3 4 5. Very good. Relax. Okay. Now it is do some movements for the fingers. Hands stretched forward. Fingers के लिए open and close. 1 2 3 4 5. Join the fingers and one hand palm up and down. This is wrist movement. 2 3 4 5. अब हाथों को नीचे की ओर एंड पॉइंटिंग आउट. 1 2 3 4 5. Fist of your fingers and rotation, wrist rotation 5 times. उल्टा करो अभी 5 बार. Slow movements, don't be in a hurry. 5. Okay. Relax your hands. Now for the elbows, hands stretched forward, palms facing upwards. 1 2 3 4 5. Same way sides. 5 4 3 2 1. Make small circles, palms, fingers pointing upwards. Small circles, keeping the hands straight. Reverse 8 बार. अब हाथों की मुट्ठी बनाएं, fist pointing downwards. Try to tighten up your hands and pull your hands downwards, maintaining the steadiness. Feel the pull on your upper arms. Maintain. 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Relax your hands. Relax for a while. Some further practices for the arms and the shoulder joint. Right hand towards the left side. Press with the left elbow. Turn the head to the right. Maintain करो. 1 2 3 4 5. Change. Left hand to the right. Press. Now head to the left side. 1 2 3 4 5 and change. Shoulder shrug. Now fingers on your shoulder blades and open up the arms and join the elbows. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Now alternately movement. One hand forward, one hand back. Generally we do normal rotation. This is the just to improve the neuro coordination. And reverse. Yes. थोड़ा थोड़ा करो, कोशिश करो. Try. Just improves our brain power, neural coordination. And relax. Stretch. Relax for a while. Now do the rotation. Simple. 1 2 3 4. Reverse. 4 3 2 1. Stretch. Relax. Close your eyes. Relax. Now right hand stretched up. Hold the wrist joint. Bring the elbow behind the head, keeping the head straight. 1 2. Keep the spine straight. 3 4 and 5. Very good. And relax. Feel the nice pull on your back muscles and opening of your shoulder joint. Relax with your hands. Okay. from the forward, join the interlock the fingers, stretch your hands up, keep the thumbnails up, just pull your hands forward and forward, maintaining your static pose, but as if you are pulling your hands forward. Feel the opening up of your back muscles, upper back muscles, and relax. Once again, someone pulling your hands forward, but you are being seated firmly on your position. Breathe normally and relax. Once again, stretch, stretch, stretch forward direction and relax. Good. Relax for a while. Okay. Let us do some rotation. इस तरह से 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do ulta. 5, 4, 3, 2, last 1. Relax. Keep your eyes closed for a while. Feel the rice burning sensation. And now we go for the leg movements. So you are sitting on the bed or sitting on the sofa or chair or on the mat. Stretch your legs forward and contract, relax the toes for the toes. 5 times. Now stretch your ankle joint forward and back. Complete focus on the movement of the joint and breathing normal. Okay. Now do the rotation, ankle rotation. Very important to improve the flexibility and improve the nervous sensation towards the feet. So we should do these movements regularly, and we need our feet to walk. So all the movements are essential. The leg movements, they are all the movements which we did are simple, but they are very, very effective, so that the nerve sensation towards the ends of the fingers or the toes is maintained. Okay, relax. Yes. Now you can just take support of the chair and raise your leg up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep the spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close your eyes, relax for a while. Okay, so now we go for some standing, marching, and then we go with our dynamic practices. Okay, dynamic matlab little bit of power yoga practices we will do today, not very exertive. So stand in your place and simple marching we will do. Just marching. You can take support of the wall or the chair if you have in front of you. If you are not able to, we are going to go for 50 steps. Swing your hands. You can on the mat also. 30. 40. And 50. Relax. Okay. Now we will just do stretching and walking. Okay, thoda sa stretching and walking if you can. What you will do? Raise your hands up. I will just bring the closer. Okay, so you will raise your hands up, interlock the hands, raise up, and raise the heels up, and slowly walk, balancing yourself. Slow, raising the heels up and the hands up. 2 times. Good. Okay, relax. Next is this way. on the outer border of your feet you are going to walk. So hands on the waist or hands behind interlock, this way, outer border of your feet. Slow, slow. Again 2 rounds. One done. Forward and back is 1. Second round. Very good. And relax. Now it will be this inner border. So the legs you will be just folding inwards, and inner border you will walk. That's it. So you can keep your hands interlocked behind. Lightly bend at the knee. Try to walk. All these practices are helpful for improving the nerve sensation towards your feet. One done. Second round. Do slowly. Bend at the knee and walk and feel the pressure on your inner feet, inner border of the feet. Very good. Okay. Last practice will be walking on the heels. So your toes are raised up, but you need to balance. So be careful and balancing yourself. Slow, slow steps. Very slow steps. Feel the pressure on the heels. Very slow steps. Take support. You can take support of the wall also and walk. So if you want to take support of the wall, ऐसे take support of the wall. Your toes are raised up and take support of the wall. Walk. And again back. Okay, so that was a nice practice for our feet. All the joints of the feet opening up. Relax for a while. Okay. So now we will go for breathing practice and then we move on for our practices. So hands stretched forward. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay. Now join your feet together, hands by the side, angutha bahar. Breathe in, join your thumb above the head. Breathe out. Keep the eyes open. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. If you can see, breathe in. Breathe out. Last, breathe in and breathe out. Okay. Next breathing practice is hand stretch, पैरों में distance between your feet, hands interlock. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. Last, in. Out. Okay. Now hands are stretched up. In. Out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last, breathe in and breathe out. Very good. Relax. Now sit in your place and relax for a while. Keep your eyes closed. All the loosening practices we have done along with the breathing exercises. जरा सा विश्राम करेंगे. Relax. You can have sips of water in between. Okay. आंखें बंद है. श्वास प्रश्वास पर ध्यान है. So today we will be going for some dynamic yoga practices. Okay. So बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. All the asanas we will be doing like power yoga. So we will try to do the asanas at least six times. It will be movement. So if you are having a lot of pain, you can be static. You don't do the movements. But if you do the movements, it is opening up the joints and relieving the pain also. And not very difficult, everyone can do. So you can sit on the floor also, or you can also sit on the bed also. So I know on the floor everyone can do, but those who are on the bed or on the chair, they don't know. So I am sitting here and doing accordingly. So I will be showing on the floor also, and those who are on the bed or on the chair also. Okay, so now this is the position. Slight distance between your knees and your feet. Always see that your feet are not hanging, your legs are not hanging. When you are sitting, sit comfortably, both your feet resting on the floor or the mat. Keep a mat below the legs, pull the legs closer. The knee and the toes are in one line. Remember that. So it should not be this. So the knees and the toes in one line. Okay. So let's begin with the first practice. Now hands will be going from side to up. Namaskar Mudra, Parvatasana, interlock the fingers and stretch it. Now this is the position. If you are not able to stretch more up, your hands can be bent at the elbows also. Ideally the hands are straight. Now turn the torso to the right side. और right side हम 5 बार झुकेंगे. अब जो लोग जितना ज़्यादा झुक सकते हैं झुके, अपने घुटने के पास सिर ले जाने की कोशिश करेंगे. And up. Okay. Do it very slowly. Don't give jerks. Same side bending for 6 times. 2. Slowly go down. Up. 3. 4. 5. 6. Now some of you may be having pain in the shoulders, so you can do this way also. Now the other side I am showing with the hands on the waist. Turn. Now the left side. 1. जिनको पेन है हाथों को कमर पे रखेंगे, जिनको पेन नहीं है हाथों को ऐसे रख के फॉरवर्ड बेंड. 2. Come back. 3. 4. 5. 6. And relax. Okay. And the next practice is पैरों में अंतर है, forward bend center. So hands either on the waist or stretching up and forward bend. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Every time the breathing is very normal. Hands from the sides, relax. See that your breathing is always normal. कहीं पे भी सांस को रोकना नहीं है. Relax. Follow your breathing. Okay. The next practice, now those who are seated on the bed, आप लोगों को taking the support of the back. So you will stick your back to the take support to the back and then keep the legs apart. And now this will be towards the leg forward bend, Paschimottanasana forward bend. So I will be showing on the bed, on the mat. So now supposing this is the bed, if you are sitting on the bed, those who can sit down very good. आप लोग ऐसे दीवार से चिपक के बैठे and keep the feet apart. So take support of the wall so that you do not feel pain and keep the feet apart. Now stretch your hands parallel and go down towards the right 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Legs are straight. 6. Do not lift the knees up. Okay. And now same way left. 1. धीरे धीरे करेंगे. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and relax. So that is 1. And next we will be doing is Chakki Kriya. So you are on the bed still or on the floor mat, hands interlock and just do simple Chakki Kriya. 1, जितना जा सकते हैं. 2, 3, very good for the tummy. 4, 5 and 6. Okay. अभी उल्टा भी करेंगे. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last 1. Okay. Good practice. It's very nice for your abdomen. Nice practice. Relax for a while. Breathe in, breathe out. So now we move on for the next practice. It is a backward bending practice. So those who are sitting, sit with your folded legs and hands behind. See, the fingers are pointing to the hips and backward arch. इतना ही कर सकते हैं. जो लोगों को पैर मोड़ने नहीं होता है, legs are straight and hands behind, backward arch. Okay, यहाँ पे maintain करना है. Count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. धीरे से सीधे हो जाइए. Stretch. Relax. Maintain. Just sit relaxed. Okay. Now the next practice, the distance between your feet, we are doing twisting. So how you will do? See, you are going to bend down slowly. If how much you can reach. If you can go to the floor, good. या तो जितना. And bend down to the left. 1. Again. 2. 2. 3. Slow, slow. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. Last 6 and 6. Okay, relax. Now those who are on the floor sitting, they will sit with the folded legs if you possible, and those who are on the bed, they will sit on the chair or the bed. So I will show you the lateral bending in sitting. So you are sitting. Okay, hands are stretched at shoulder level. So you can sit down also, or you can sit up, but down it is very easy, so they know how to do it. Those who are sitting up, they don't know, so I am sitting up and showing. Hands are stretched, पैरों में अंतर, and this will be lateral bending. 1, touch your right heel, left heel, okay, not reaching the heel जहाँ तक जाता है. 2, center, 2, center. 3, turn your head up. 3, bend down to the lateral side completely. 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, and relax. Okay, close your eyes, relax for a while. We have done some nice dynamic practices in sitting. Relax. Follow your breath. Everywhere the breathing is very natural and normal. Now we go for the standing practices. Okay, so standing up, please. First is the wall push, wall plank. So take some comfortable distance from the wall and palms equal distance shoulder level. So the palms are not too close, they are at a shoulder level distance. So shoulder ke exactly perpendicular the palms are placed. Okay, your distance is below your shoulders, your feet are there. Now you bend the hands at the elbows and go towards the wall. 1. Feel the pressure on your back and your palms. 2. Slow करेंगे. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, relax for a while. We will do one more round of the same. Again, see that the hands and the palms are in one line. That much distance between both your palms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Relax. Relax for a while. Next practice will be dynamic Tadasana. Take support. See, I am taking support for my legs. You can take support this way also towards the wall, and you will move. Okay, circle. So ideally not to take support, but if you are not comfortable, you can take support. This way also you can take support, so that you can move the hand in a circle. Stick one side of the leg to any chair or bed. Now standing, you are raising the hands up. Sorry, only one hand up, both the knees up. This way. 1, 2, 3. Now from back to forward, same hand. 3, breathe normal. 2, 1. Okay, very good practice. Now you can stick this side to the wall so that you are getting the support, and we do Tadasana dynamic the other side. Heels up, hands up. 1, you are getting support, or you can hand this way also. 2, 3. Reverse. 3, 2. Very good. 1. And relax in standing with your feet apart. That is the second exercise we did in standing asana. Sorry. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, yes. Now keep the distance between your feet. Okay. Yeah. And hands are stretched at shoulder level. Turn and keeping the palm on the right knee or go down. Look at your upper hand. Keep the knees straight and breathe normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gently come up. Now bend down to the left side. Right, left palm on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gently come up. Relax. And we know we were doing Kapalbhati in this, so we will do Kapalbhati strokes, 10 strokes one side. Okay, hands stretched. Again go to Trikonasana. If you can reach your toes, very good. Maintain. 1. Go for the strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up. Okay, gently. Now left side, bend and again strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up. Very good. थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स करेंगे. Now one standing practice, backward arch. So again keep distance between your feet, this much distance, and hands are behind. Okay, and you give a backward arch. Look at the ceiling. Keep your eyes open. Maintain karo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gently come up. Relax. We will do the second round also. Give nice arching to the back, but support yourself. Okay, take support. If you are not able to, you can take the wall support and give for the backward arch. One hand on the back or the chair support. Okay. So again, second round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gently come up. थोड़ा विश्राम करेंगे. Relax for a while. I will show now lying down practices. So eyes closed, relax. We have done sitting, we have done standing, dynamic practices. Relax. Now let us do practices on the abdomen, prone position. Okay. So आपको पेट के बल लेटना है. Those who can lie on the bed or on the mat. So lie down on your abdomen this way. Relax in Sulabh Makarasana. How to do Sulabh Makarasana? Observe. This way you are going to relax. Folded hands and forehead on the rest. Keep your feet apart, heels inwards, toes outwards. Relax in Sulabh Makarasana. So let us relax our abdomen muscles and back muscles by doing Kokilasana dynamic. So raise your head up and your face between your palms and just alternately move the legs. 1, 2, 3. You can give jerks here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now join both the legs together. Both the legs together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax now. Just relax for a while. Now let us do Ardha Naukasana. I will show you. Keep both the hands stretched forward. Now only keep the right hand on the back. Right hand is on the back. So you raise your head up, left hand up and leg up and down. 1. Opposite limbs are raised up. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep the right hand forward. Place the left hand on the back. Now you will raise the right hand and the left leg up. Head up, hand up and left. Opposite hand and leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax now for a while. Now, one palm on top of it, the other palm. Okay? Join the legs together. Now, raise your entire body up, trying to keep the elbows straight. Bhujangasana. This way. And you go down. 1. Slow. Very slow. 2. 3. 4. 5, 6. Relax. Relax for a while. Now again the same manner, one palm on top of it, the other palm, chin on the palm and fix the chin on the palms, fold the legs. Just turn right and left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The main aim is to bring the flexibility in the spine. Okay, relax. One last practice. Hands in the make a fist of the hands, fingers, and place below your thighs. Chin fixed on the mat. See that the chin is fixed. Do not raise your head up. Only leg movement. Right leg up and down. 1, 2. Do not raise your head up. 3, 4. Leg straight at the knee. 5. Keep the leg straight. 6. Change the leg. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Relax. Relax for a while. Now turn to one side. Very gently lie on your back. Now we are going for some asanas on the supine position. Relax on your spine. Relax. Okay. So first asana is folding the legs, hands slightly below your hips so that you get support. Now right leg fold. And left leg 90 to 10 degrees movement 6 times. Okay. So left leg you have to move straight. Up, down. 1, do not touch. 2, slow karo. 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Keep the hands below your hips so that you get support to raise the leg up. Now left leg fold and now you raise the right leg 6 times. 90 to 10. Do not touch. Keep the knees straight. 1, 2, धीरे धीरे करो. 3, 4, 5, 6 and relax. Very good. Relax for a while. Now we are doing Setu Bandhasan up and down. So fold the legs, move the legs. See that they are not very close. They are away from the hips and also nice distance between the knees and the feet. They are not together. Do not join the legs apart. Now raise your torso up and go down. 1. Again up. Slowly down. 2. Up. Down. 3. Now those who have no knee pain, try to bring the legs closer and raise your heels up also. If you can raise your heels up, good. 4. 5. 6. Very good. Relax. Now Setu Bandhasan strokes, you all know. Let us do the strokes like Kapalbhati. Fold the legs, hands by the side, come up to Setu Bandhasan. Maintain Setu Bandhasan and give 10 strokes of Kapalbhati. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Just relax. Very good. Next practice we will be doing is Pavan Muktasan. So fold the legs. This will be Ardha Pavan Muktasan. Right leg fold. This we are going to do static. Hold above the knee, or if you have knee pain, below the knee on the thighs. Press. If you are not having any neck pain, raise your head up. Just maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Head down. Hands by the side, release and open the leg and bring it gently down. Left leg को उठाएंगे, bend करें, bend at the knee and hold below the knee or above the knee. If you are comfortable, raise your head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Head down, hands by the side, open the leg, relax. थोड़ा विश्राम करें. See that you are not holding the breath anywhere. Now we will do full Pavan Muktasan. Again this will be static. Okay? Yes. पूरा पवन मुक्तासन करेंगे. दोनों पैरों को ऐसे मोड़. जो लोग हाथों को ऊपर से ले जाना चाहते हैं ऊपर से करें, otherwise from below also. Very good. holding this way, holding the knees separately also, and whichever is comfortable for you. Main aim is to feel the pressure of your thighs on the abdomen. So पैरों को दूर रख के नहीं करना है ऐसे, पैरों को हो सके तो प्रेस करो and raise up. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Head down, slowly release, relax. आराम करें, थोड़ी देर के लिए विश्राम. Now you can fold the legs and join the soles of the feet and raise your hands up. Okay. Now those who are not able to do sitting butterfly, let us do this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. रिलीज एंड रिलैक्स. बटरफ्लाई जो बैठ के नहीं कर सकते हैं उनके लिए लेट के काफ़ी अच्छा होगा. सो नाउ वी गो फॉर उत्तान भद्रासन विथ स्ट्रोक्स. अगेन फोल्डिंग द लेग्स एंड जॉइन द फीट इन नमस्कार मुद्रा. हैंड्स अप एंड जॉइन द हैंड्स इन नमस्कार मुद्रा. पुल योर हैंड्स अपवर्ड्स, पुश योर नीज डाउनवर्ड्स. लेट अस डू कपालभाति स्ट्रोक्स. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. फिर हाथों को रिलीज करो, पैरों को जॉइन करके रिलीज करें, रिलैक्स. And the last practice, hands are stretched at shoulder level. Now fold both the legs and try to bring the knees up. So lift your legs above the floor and swinging right and left. Slow, slow. 1. Keeping the head to the center. You can move the head also opposite side. See, if the legs go to the left, the head goes to the right. But this is swinging Uttan Vadrasana. 2. Very nice practice for your back. 3. 4. 5. And last 6. Relax. Okay. Now you can lie down for Shavasana. विश्राम करेंगे. Now today we will not do any other practice. We have done lots of asanas today. So many dynamic and static practices because today is Power Yoga Day, Friday. तो अब हम विश्राम करेंगे शवासन में. दोनों पैरों में अंतर है. See, hands are away and legs are also apart, and try to relax in the most comfortable posture. If you are not comfortable in this, you want to lie on the abdomen, पेट पर लेट के आराम करना चाहते हो तो वैसे भी. Now you close your eyes, relax yourself and be aware of my instructions. Complete relaxation for the next few minutes. Do not be disturbed. So you have adopted the most comfortable posture. अब हो सके उतना स्थिर रहे और मेरी सूचनाओं को जाने. ध्यान दोनों पैरों पर ले आना और मन ही मन अपने राइट लेग को और लेफ्ट लेग को देखिए. पैरों के उंगलियों से लेके कमर तक दोनों पैरों के सभी जॉइंट्स, सभी मांसपेशियां ढीली है. मन ही मन दोनों पैरों को सूचना दे, रिलैक्स रिलैक्स रिलैक्स. धीरे से ध्यान हाथों पर ले आना. अब अपने राइट हैंड को और लेफ्ट हैंड को देखें. मन ही मन हाथों के सभी भागों को देखना है, उंगलियों से लेके कंधों तक. The hands from the tip of the fingers to the shoulder joints. Both your hands completely relaxed. Guide your hands. Relax, relax, relax. Now focus on your back. Relax your lower back, middle back, upper back. Feel the spinal muscles relaxed. Feel the backbone relaxed. पीठ के सभी मांसपेशियां और रीढ़ की हड्डी अब बिल्कुल ढीली है. ध्यान शरीर के आगे ले आना, पेट पर और सीने पर। शरीर के आगे वाले सभी स्नायु अब ढीले हैं। लोअर एब्डोमेन, मिडिल एब्डोमेन, अपर एब्डोमेन along with the chest completely relaxed, except for the movement of your abdomen with your breathing in and out. सांसों के साथ पेट की हलचल, पर बाकी पूरा शरीर ढीला है, रिलैक्स। गर्दन को रिलैक्स रखें और फिर ध्यान चेहरे पर ले आए। चेहरे के सभी स्नायु ढीले हैं, कोई तनाव, कोई टाइटनेस नहीं है। चेहरे के सभी भाग रिलैक्स है। सिर को भी रिलैक्स रखें। आप मेरी सूचनाओं के साथ बने हो। प्लीज़, आप नींद में नहीं जा रहे हैं, ध्यान दें और आप अपने शरीर में आराम को महसूस कर रहे हो। कुछ देर के लिए अब शरीर से ध्यान हटा के सांसों पर ले आए। श्वास प्रश्वास को जानना है और कुछ पलों के लिए मन ही मन सांसों की गिनती करें। शांत और एकाग्र मन, क्योंकि मन सांसों की गिनती पर है। देखो कितना अच्छा लग रहा है। अब अपने शरीर में होने वाले सूक्ष्म बदलावों को जानें। हल्का हल्का लग रहा है। शरीर में काफी सकारात्मक ऊर्जा है। मन ही मन अपने आप से कहे, मैं स्वस्थ हूँ, मैं सुखी हूँ, मैं शांत हूँ। फीलिंग फ्रेश, फीलिंग सो मच इनवाइग्रेटेड, फीलिंग lighter and feeling so positively energized. All the changes what are happening, you are observing them. तो अब हम शवासन से बाहर आएंगे। सजग हो जाए, ध्यान पैरों पर ले आना। पैरों की टोस को जरा जरा हिलाए, हाथों की उंगलियों को हिलाए, सिर को घुमाए राइट लेफ्ट। दोनों पैरों को जॉइन कीजिए, दोनों हाथों को सिर के ऊपर ले जाइए। अच्छा सा तान दीजिए पूरे शरीर को। फिर हाथों को शरीर के बाजू में ले आना। अब धीरे से आप दोनों पैरों को मोड़े, आराम से करवट पे आ जाओ और धीरे से आप अपनी जगह पर बैठ जाइए। आंखों को बंद ही रखो। कीप योर आइज क्लोज्ड ओनली फ्रेंड्स, डू नॉट ओपन योर आइज। आंखें बंद है और आप चेयर पे बैठे, बेड पे बैठे या सुखासन पे बैठे। Whatever posture is comfortable for you, you can sit. आंखें बंद ही है, हाथों को नमस्कार मुद्रा में जोड़े। Friends, we will end with the concluding prayer. ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः। हाथों को नमस्कार मुद्रा में जोड़ना है। Let's sing together. ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Now rub your palms and gently massage your face. Again rub your palms. Move on your entire body. एक बार और हाथों से रब करें और अपने चेहरे पर रखें। हाथों को देखते देखते आंखों को खोलें। Okay? So thank you friends. So we end our session over here. We meet next time. Till then, bye bye. Take care.